Today I will share with you a strange yet simple strategy from one of the channel members that has managed to turn an investment of $1,000 into $6,000 over the past year. The win rate of this strategy is above 70%, and I myself have executed nearly 34 trades in crypto over the last 3 days, with 25 of those trades closing profitably. The attractive feature of this method is its excellent performance across all markets and time frames. This video contains very important tips that are completely practical and will be useful in any market you trade in. So stay with me until the end of the video. First, we need to go to the TradingView website. After that, we should head to the symbol section and select our symbol. Since this strategy is a scalping type, I recommend choosing a symbol that has high trading volume and significant volatility so that we can maximize our profits in the shortest time possible. Next, we need to go to the time frame section. Now we need to set our time frame to 5 minutes because, as I mentioned, this strategy is a scalping type. After that, we should go to the indicator section to add our first indicator to the chart. For this, simply type Tilson T3 in the search box. Once we find it, just click on it to add it to our chart. As you know, now we need to go to the settings of this indicator and make a series of changes so that it becomes what we want. Make sure to do this step correctly because it significantly impacts our strategy and its win rate. Now that we have made the changes, I need to teach you how to use this indicator. We use this indicator as a tool to determine market trends. When the line of this indicator is green, we understand that our trend is upward and we expect price increases in the market. So at this point, we look for signals to enter buy trades in order to profit from the price increase in the market. Conversely, when the line of this indicator turns red, we realize that we are in a downtrend and prices are decreasing. Therefore, at this point, we should look for signals to enter sell trades so that we can also profit from price declines in the market. Now you can see this point where the line of this indicator has changed color from red to green. At this point, we can enter a buy trade and place our stop loss at a safe zone. You can see that this trade closes with a good profit. On the contrary, when the line of this indicator changes color from green to red, we understand that a downtrend is about to begin. So at this point, we can enter a sell trade and place our stop loss at a safe zone while waiting for the trade to close profitably. However, I must remind you that working with just one indicator does not give us a very high win rate. It also increases the amount of our mistakes. Therefore, we can add a second indicator to the chart to improve our win rate. For this, simply go to the Indicators tab and type 10 and 1 different moving averages in the search box. After finding it, just click on it to add it to the chart. Now, as always, we need to go into its settings and make the adjustments you see so that this indicator becomes optimized. Now let's move on to explaining this indicator. As you know, this indicator consists of 3 moving average lines and their arrangement is very important for us. Based on them, we can easily find good trades and entry points, and working with this indicator is quite easy. When the moving average lines are arranged as shown below, we consider the trend to be upward, and at this point we can enter buy trades. When the moving average lines are arranged as you see them now, we consider the trend to be downward, and at these points, we can enter our sell trades. Now, to fully understand, let's look at some examples together. After you have seen the examples and learned how to work with these indicators, it's time for me to teach you where to consider your entry point, where to set your stop loss, and where to choose as your take profit level. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I've created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. Let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to make sure that we are in an uptrend. Here, we should look at the moving average lines and ensure that their arrangement is correct. After that, we need to confirm that our first indicator is green and indicates an uptrend. We should find a candle that has crossed the 50 moving average line upwards. Now that our conditions are met, we realize we have found an appropriate entry point. We can set our stop loss slightly below the last swing low. Now we can enter our buy trade at this point, and for our take profit, we can consider a risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.5. Now we just need to wait for our trade to close profitably. Now let me teach you what to do for sell orders. First of all, you need to make sure that we are in a downtrend, meaning the moving average lines should be arranged as I mentioned. After that, we should look at the first indicator and confirm that its line is red. Next, we need to look for a candle that has crossed the 50 moving average line downwards. At this point, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point. Now we should set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Now we can enter our sell trade, and for our take profit, we can also consider a risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.5. Now we just need to wait for our trade to close profitably. And the following, you can see examples of trades executed with this strategy. I hope you have learned the important points I mentioned so far and are ready to apply this powerful strategy in your trades. As you saw, with this method, you can achieve excellent results in any market and with any time frame. This strategy is a simple and effective approach that can significantly increase your balance if you used correctly. Now that you are familiar with the details of this strategy, it's your turn to take action and make the first step toward improving your trades. Always remember that success in trading requires patience, practice, and adherence to specific rules. If you follow these principles, you will soon experience positive results. In conclusion, I want you to share your thoughts if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends as well. Also, don't forget to follow our channel to stay updated on the latest videos and trading strategies. Your support means a lot to us, and we eagerly look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Until the next video, may you be profitable and successful. Thank you for joining us. Until the next video, goodbye.